Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Spine HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mobilelogin.spinehr.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Spine HR website. Now scroll down and you will be asked whether you want to go for HR login or candidate on board. Just enter your corporate ID and then click on the respective buttons and you will be taken into your user ID portal. Just type in your user ID and then enter your account password and you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your Spine HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the option to reset your password, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your account on Spine HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.